Hello children, welcome you all to 8th standard English class. Today I'll begin a new poem, The Cloud, written by Percy Bysshe Shelley. Here you can find the spelling as Bysshe, but we pronounce it as Percy Bysshe Shelley. First we'll have a glance at the pre-reading task. Clouds are the gift of nature. They wander at their will in the sky. There are different types of clouds, viz. The nimbus, the stratus, and the cumulus. Generally, they form over the seas and transform themselves into raindrops or hailstones depending upon the wind pattern. Can you imagine your life without clouds and rain, children? No, isn't it? Now, we will know what is a cloud. A cloud is a large collection of tiny droplets of water that can be seen in the lower atmosphere. Clouds are formed when the water on the earth evaporates and condenses high up in the cool air. The rain, snow, sleet, and hailstones that come down to the earth is termed as precipitation. Clouds are classified into different types. Stratus cloud, you can see in the picture above, children, are flat and featureless, appearing as layered sheets in the sky. Next one, we'll move on to the cumulus clouds, which are puffy like cotton floating in the sky. Cirrus clouds are thin and wispy, floating at a very high altitudes. Fog is a stratus type of a cloud that appears very close to the earth. I hope you have understood something about the clouds. So in the next class, we'll learn more about the poem The Cloud, written by Percy Bysshe Shelley, which you have to memorize, children. Thank you. Bye for today.